Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? I'm really pumped up about today. Today is another amazing day. I'm grateful to God. I'm sure you are too. Really excited about you guys' feedback. Thank you so much. And if this is your first time you're coming to this channel, make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell. So when I upload the next amazing video, you will not miss out on this. Okay, so for the past few months, we've been talking about CHFJPY. And one of the things that is amazing about this trade is because it's a long-term trade that we are expecting, okay? So make sure you watch to the end of this video so you will understand what and how you're going to be using to approach this market. I'm going to be giving you 2 ways that you can use to approach this market, okay? So let's get to work. I told you guys that it's been on the up move for a while, okay? And since the month of April, February, I've told you guys about this sell opportunity in this market zone. And for me, this is an extremely high call. And on high call, I look for sell opportunity, supply and demand, okay? For those who don't know, you can check my previous videos on supply and demand, okay? So we're looking for a buy opportunity, and we've spoken about this. Because this is on monthly time frame, definitely there have to be a confirmation that we want to use to go into this trade. And one of the checklists is, if this is your analysis chart, you need to have a entry chart. So, and on the entry chart, we've seen that we've been able to get a break of trend line, and the market is now back into the retracement zone. So here is how it works. So this is where we are looking at. Now the market is in this zone. How do I pick my entry? Okay, because if I pick my entry here, the stop loss will be much, and I don't want that. So right now the market is in this zone. 2 ways we're going to be using. We need to also go deeper in this sell zone, maybe to like 30 minutes or 1 hour. So let's go to 1 hour. So on 1 hour, we won't be able to identify the same scenario. And what kind of scenario are we expecting? We expect that the market should also break out of this trend line. Yes, that's the best trend line we can draw from that. Good. So we expect the market to come out of this trend line. Now, this market has come out of this trend line. However, is yet to change direction. Mr. Mayowa, what do you mean? Now, when the market goes up into a higher time frame and you want to take the reversal, you have to be very, very careful to make sure there is clarity by allowing the market to break the previous high. So until the market, the previous low. So until the market breaks this low, you do not have business with it. So here is the concept now. If you have wanted to pick this trade before and it goes up and you want to pick this trade, you see that when it went up, it never broke this low. Now it went up again, it came down, it went up. Now the market is yet to break this low. So that means that the journey is not clear. So it came down here again. So this will be a buy opportunity for those that take intraday. Okay, it goes up again. When it got here, it created another high and created another low. Now with this low, the market went high again. The market went high again. Now, because the market went high again, you have to be patient, because that you have a red candle or you have a evening star evening star, that does not mean you should sell. But you need to be able to understand that there have to be a clear journey. So for me, I'm here to see that clear journey. We need to see that clear journey. So what does that mean to have a clear journey? Okay, the clear journey means that by the time the market goes up, you need to break out of this low. When it breaks out of this low, then I can take this trade here. But if it doesn't break out of this trade low, I would not. So if it eventually breaks out of this low, I can allow the market come back here. Then I draw another trend line on the new zone to see a breakout. So what does that mean, Mr. Mayowa? You have this high, low, high, low, high. So you need the market to break this low. Now the market broke this low. Now your entry, because this now becomes a what? A high, a lower low. So this is higher high, this is lower low. So this became lower low because of this. So right now we need to wait for the market to give us a lower high. Now you can be aggressive to go in on the lower high. Okay. Number two, you can also allow the market to break out of that lower high. So when it breaks out of that lower high, this will be your entry, this will be your stop loss. Now the challenge with this is that you will have a higher stop loss. Okay. But if you use the supply here, you're going to have a lower risk entry. Okay. So we are yet to see the move. So I really want to beseech us. I know that a lot of somebody chatted me up yesterday, Mr. Mayowa. I'm waiting for that CHFJPY, CHFJPY. Yes, we are waiting. But the truth of the matter is that it's not yet clear. If you understand trend line, okay, go and search my YouTube channel for my training on trend line. He has to break this. He has to break the low. If he doesn't do all of those things, then he has to come back. This is another period, guys. So this should happen next week because it's not happening today. It's already 10 a.m. already, Nigerian time. Okay, so this market is closing today. So it might be next week Wednesday or next week Tuesday, Thursday trade. So you have to be able to see the market clearly. Then we're good to go. But Mr. Mayowa is already forming rejection on daily. Now, it is forming rejection does not mean it will be rejected. Okay? It is forming pin bar, it's forming all of this, does not mean it will be rejected. Because at the close of this candle can turn up. It can turn up and become a full bullish candle. So this is why you have to go to like 1 hour or 30 minutes, okay, to be able to trade this clear move. So we have already, okay, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high. So we need to see the market break an higher low. If it doesn't break an higher low, we don't want to put our money. So be patient with it. I know you guys want to make money from this. I also want to make money from this. Okay. I also want to make money from this. So stay tuned. I'm waiting. Patience. Everything is about patience. And I look forward to your success. Okay. So stay tuned tomorrow, Saturday. I will be having the financial freedom session with you guys again. I will be talking on how not to invest in cryptocurrency. Okay, thank you so much for staying tuned. My name remains Mayowa, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys.